back in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. And Jennifer, this is one of those mornings that if you do not have to drive, just don't. It is a mess out there.
Yeah, avoid travel if you can, especially if you're in Baraga and Marquette counties, because that's where blizzard conditions are underway this morning. Drifting snow will be an issue in those areas, along with blowing snow, poor visibility, and whiteout conditions, especially near Lake Superior if you are within those two counties in those higher elevation locations. So the alerts that are still in place are winter storm warnings in pink, winter weather advisories for Chippewa and Mackinac counties in purple, and then the blizzard warnings in red for Baraga as well as Marquette counties until 8 o'clock this evening. Let's talk about that wind. So the wind today, speeds will be out of the northeast with ranges of around 20 to 35 miles per hour, but gusts will be ranging anywhere between 35 to 45 miles per hour, and gusts pushing near 50 miles per hour near Lake Superior. So that strong wind coming in out of the northeast and off of Lake Superior will cause that blowing snow to be an issue out there. And we're expecting winds to weaken as we head into tomorrow morning. It'll still be rather windy out there, but those strong winds will be coming to an end around that point in time. I said a high risk for travel today. Not just the whiteouts will be an issue for Baraga and Marquette counties, but also it's the sloppy road conditions, the slush out there from that wet, heavy snow. And aside from that, we also have the potential of some downed tree limbs and branches, along with some lakeshore flooding, beach erosion possible from large waves due to those stronger winds, and power outages could be widespread. We still have power outages out there this morning, especially in Menominee County, with more than 5,400 outages noted there, more than 3,100 outages noted in Delta County, more than 800 in Alger, and more than 600 outages right now over in Marquette County. So there is a potential of getting more outages throughout the course of the day. This is an all-day event for us. Over in downtown Marquette, it's a little bit milder there. It's been more of that mist, that drizzle, that rain mixing in with some of that wet snow out there this morning, and then the gusty winds out there. We have that accumulating snow along M35 at M553 near Gwinn. And in the interior areas of Marquette County, you can see that slush at that intersection there. And we've had reports over in Ishpeming of 2 feet of snow already from this storm system that's still impacting us this morning. So a lot of this heavy snow ongoing right now in the central areas of the UP and as far west as portions of southern and central Wisconsin, Green Bay down into Milwaukee, seeing this wet snow, scattered rain showers through areas downstate this morning. So travel will continue to be hazardous with that slush and that slop, especially in the higher elevations. So as I mentioned, if you're in the higher elevations, Negaunee Township, West Ishpeming, the Michigamme Highland areas right now, dealing with that heavy snow with more of that heavy intensity along and over near Humboldt Township, eastern Baraga County as well. Here's the hour by hour, continuing strong with that wet, heavy snow throughout the day. That was noon. This is 6 o'clock this afternoon, where we catch a break in the east, but this will be mixing in with rain as it's going to be warmer in those areas. There's another impulse of snow during the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, it's still ongoing snow in the northern areas. And by tomorrow afternoon, most of this over and done with just some scattered snow showers persisting. Friday looks really great for us. A widespread ranging 3 to 6 inches of additional snow likely across the region today, with near a foot of snow in the western areas. Marquette County, the interior areas, about a foot and a half possible. The highland areas of western Marquette County, as well as eastern Baraga County, near 2 feet of snow in those areas. So a lot of snow still expected from this system all the way through tomorrow evening. Temperatures today around the freezing mark across the west and mid to near upper 30s across the east. And that's where we have the potential of that rain and snow mixture this afternoon when it becomes a little bit warmer. Then tomorrow, it's just a little lingering light snow in the west and mix in the east. Friday, Saturday, Sunday looks phenomenal with sunny skies, temperatures above normal into the 40s. But in the meantime, let us know what the road conditions are like, how they are like for you, how your travels were by going to our Facebook group page, TV6 Community Road Reports. Give us an update of what you encountered during your travels today, if you had to travel, that is.
Yeah, be extra careful out there in those drifts. I mean, they're really already building up. I can't even imagine what some of them are going to look like by the end of the day.
I can't even either. It's so easy, too, to get your vehicle off the road. It just, that snow that grabs and grips your tires, so
yeah,
you can easily spin out in this stuff.
All right, well, thanks for all your hard work on covering this storm, Jennifer. And we will be checking in one more time this morning on conditions with TV6's Michael Sobak, who is live in Michigan.